Good morning, everyone. We'll start with the global news update. US Q1 GDP growth rate quarter final at 1.4% versus estimate of 1.3%. US Q1 GDP price index quarter over quarter final at 3.1% versus estimate of 3.1%, so it remained same. US Q1 GDP sales index quarter over quarter final at 1.8% versus estimate of 1.7%, slight improvement. US Q1 corporate profits quarter over quarter final at minus 2.7% versus estimate of minus 1.7%. So slight underperformance there. US initial joblessness claims for the week ended June 22 at 2.33 lakhs versus 2.39 lakhs in the previous week. Dollar index is up. The dollar index, which measures the US currency strength against major currencies, was trading at 106.02, up 0.11% from its previous closer, 105.90. This one is with respect to Indian market. RBI's financial stability report shows India's banks are resilient, but its markets are yet to be. Let us look at the Indian market updates. So yesterday we saw a good rally in Nifty. So as we saw in the option chain data, which we were anticipating that it will touch 24,000. So it actually made a high of 24,087 and closed at 24,044.50 points, which is 175.70 points up. So for today, the next level of resistance could be 24,164 or 24,200, followed by 24,300. On the downside, we can see a support until 23,800 level, followed by 23,724. So as of now, the data looks a little bit sideways since we have already reached 24,000. So market doesn't show any clear direction. So because the highest OI and volume remain on both sides at 24,000 level. So we need to wait for market to open and see which side it breaks out. Bank Nifty yesterday was sideways to slightly bearish. So it closed at minus 59.20 points. But it made a high as per our option chain predictions. It made a high of 53,000 level. So for today, the next level of resistance could be at 53,400, followed by 53,700. On the downside, we are open until 52,486 or 500. Followed by 52,141 or 52,200 level. Let's look at the option chain data for Bank Nifty also. So Bank Nifty is looking like 52,800 could act as an intermittent support, but eventually it may try to go up to 53,000 again, and thereafter we need to see which side it breaks out because there is no enough data even in Bank Nifty as well. Looking at mid cap, yesterday closed at 178.45 points, slight recovery from the previous trading session. So for today, the next level of resistance would be at 55,670, 664, followed by 55,800. And on the downside, we are open until 54,952 or 55,000, followed by 54,800 level. Small cap, we still saw some profit booking yesterday. Though slight recovery was there in previous trading sessions, but yesterday again we saw some profit booking in small cap. This could be due to the quant mutual fund the reports, the SEBI investigation for quant mutual fund. So probably there are some major redemption happened in small cap fund, quant small cap fund. So that could be one of the reasons. But today we can expect 18,300 to be the next resistance, followed by 18,350 or 400. On the downside, we are open up to 18,000 level, which could be a strong support, being a round number, followed by 18,050 and 18,000 level. So these two level could be a strong support for small cap index. So these are the information about the indexes. Now let us look at the sectoral rotation. So sectoral, there's not major change from the rotational point of view. The same sectors that we have been discussing, having still having good opportunities. Paper, construction, retailing, industrial gas and fuels. Then we have banking, automobile ancillaries, textile, IT, chemicals, realty, finance, iron and steel, power, crude oil, power, media, entertainment, infrastructure, healthcare, hospitality, agriculture, gas and transmission, mining. So there are a lot of sectors we are seeing some good profit booking. So this could be a good opportunity to accumulate going forward. Let's look at the deliveries. So as far as delivery is concerned, we have seen good delivery yesterday on construction materials, 3.8x. There's slight profit booking on media entertainment, but I feel we are still good as far as media entertainment is concerned. Power, shipbuilding, continues to be top sectors where we are seeing a lot of good opportunities. Retailing, consumer durables, automobile ancillaries, trading, and crude oil. Telecom is something that is coming up, so this would be an interesting sector to watch out for. This was not in the scene earlier. This is a new sector that is coming up well. So we are seeing some tariff increase by Geo. So probably Airtel and other telecom providers would also will try to level up, and that will increase the EBITDA probably. So that could be a good opportunity for telecom sector. IT is also a good delivery that we have seen yesterday. So these are the sectors that we can look for short-term opportunities where we are seeing positive deliveries. So these are about the market information. Now let us look at the basket calls that we have given. So for this week, we continue to maintain the baskets. Best infra stocks basket, expected returns 15%. Best FMCG basket, expected returns 10%. Best realty stock basket, expected returns is 20%. So that's all about the market information today.